Hello, this project is an exploratory data analysis of a buy-sales dataset. After processing and analyzing the data, I then compiled the KPIs and metrics to create an interactive dashboard. Here we can see the total profit, the number of orders, the number of customers, and the countries where customers are located. This graph shows the performance of the company in terms of yearly gross income. Company's performance by location, sales demand in the reseller's business type, portions of buyers' sales volume. This area chart shows the company's growth from the fiscal years of 2018 to 2020. It is also possible to expand this area chart with the drill down function to see the monthly performance of the company. This graph shows the performance of the product in terms of their subcategory. Okay, here are the filters. We have the country and fiscal year filters, followed by the product category filters. We can also filter the data by clicking on the actual chart. By clicking on the reseller's portion on the pie chart, we can see the reseller's KPIs and data. We can do the same for the biker's data. By doing this, we are able to see that the company is gaining more profit from bikers, even though the resellers buys more products than the bikers. Upon further investigation of the data, I found out that the resellers are buying the products at a lower unit price, which is lower than the product cost. This is the clean and processed data of the dashboard. The dataset is composed of 7 tables, with the sales data consisting of 121,000 rows. Data is modeled to establish relationship between the tables in the dataset. This is the Power Query function of the Power BI. This is where data is cleaned and initially processed. The process of transformation of data is documented through applied steps function in the Power Query. Thank you for watching.